Hey everyone, Gil here at Graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about something that you should be checking on quite often in your home. That's your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors. Generally, we tell people to only check on them when the time changes. Check the batteries. Make sure that they're if got fresh batteries in them. Give them a little test. Make sure they're working. But if you do a lot of greasy food cooking, or you get some smoky food in the house and stuff, you may want to check on a little bit more often. Or if you have a lot of little spiders around and stuff, you get little cobwebs and stuff all the time. Vacuum around the smoke detectors, get all that dust and cobwebs out of it. Because there's been times where on the sensor a spider has set up a web across there and it won't detect any smoke in the house. So check out your smoke detectors, carbon monoxide detectors, and make sure they're in full working order all the time. All right? Also, next year we're going to be doing a indoor food challenge. And so this year is a good chance or a good time for you to, practice, see what you can grow indoors, what works, what doesn't work, so you're ready for next year's challenge. All right, and there is going to be some Amazon gift cards given away for the winners. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: food, water, medicine, clothing. Learn a new skill every month. And once again, plant a garden, because the way the food prices are going and the chemicals and crap they're finding on the food, you need to grow your own food.